day 6 on Rialto Square Theatre. I'm on top of the rotunda room. There's a round, beautiful hallway that been our focus since yesterday. So what we did, we wanted to hone it down up to 120 grit. Before that, we also made sure that all the patchwork was done. So now what we're doing, we honed everything up to 120 grit. And what it means that it's ready to next step, and next step is the edge work. The edge work is very detail oriented and tedious work. So the areas that we cannot reach with big machine, and as you know, this machine has a huge diameter. It doesn't reach all those tight corners. So we have, for that purpose, we have a special edge honing machines that produce the edge work. So we are going to go after every edge that the rotunda has. There's a lot of tight areas, so we want to make sure that we hone them down up to 100 grit to make sure it's all nice and ready for next steps. So that's one thing. Another important thing I want to say is that this floor never been polished, really polished. It was installed and it was sealed, but it never was really polished with diamonds. So now I want to produce that superior sheen, superior reflectivity, so we can easily say this is out of this world. So I'm very excited about that. So let's keep you guys posted. Day 9th of Rialto Square Theatre refinishing project, and as I mentioned yesterday, we had a lot of pinholes and we had to grout them or fill them in. Those small pinholes that are so tiny, so only the resin can go in. So we have this one neutral color which kind of matches the whole floor, and we are tightly injecting the resin into those pinholes. And as I mentioned earlier, it serves the main purpose is to fill those pinholes. And another good reason behind it is when the resin goes into the terrazzo, it does go into it. It gets absorbed by terrazzo. And then after that, it gets hardened. So what it means that density of terrazzo increases. So it means that all the penetration level that we have, the thickness is all gonna represent a much harder surface. And when you have harder surface, you have better shine. So that's another good reason behind it. So today is a Friday. We are going to grout the whole area, rotunda, esplanade, and then we are also broadcasting the ATF on it. It's a marble dust, a fine dust of marble. Also what it does, it kind of gets in reaction with the resin and becomes the better agent for air pockets to replace the air with the resin. So on Monday, it's gonna be nice and cured. Actually over the weekend it's gonna get cured, but we're not here on weekend. So on Monday we're gonna come out and we are going to remove the excess. So excess material which stays on top of it. So we're gonna just kind of cut down the resin, and then it's ready for 200 grit, and then where all the fun starts. You know what I mean? It's just that's where the real color is gonna start coming out, and I'm so excited about it. I can't wait. But remember, when you're doing terrazzo, especially historic project, especially the historic restoration, you better be patient. Otherwise, well, it's gonna bite you back. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Hey guys, this is week 3, Monday, and we are at the Rialto Square Theatre. Just to give you a little recap what happened last week, we left the floor filled with resin to fill those pinholes. We left it over the weekend, so it it hardened nicely and cured nicely. So this morning we jumped on it with the big machine and very aggressively to remove those excess material. So basically that's what happened. Now the floor is ready to be honed. So let me show you around what I mean by it. So basically whole esplanade area and rotunda area is been processed with 100 grit to remove the excess material. We got some leftovers, but this next diamond, I'm sure it's gonna remove those. This is the material that fills those holes. So floor looks nice and smooth. That's a good sign. Nicely done. Here you can tell that all the holes, most of them are filled, which is very good sign. Hard to show you right now. If we cannot see it, that means it's not there. But the holes we had before, every square inch we had at least one hole or two. They are basically been filled, and this is very important. This is very important to have that step done right way. That determines the finish. This is 200 grit Evo Shine, and it already has amazing sheen. It's just 200, so we still have to go 400, 800, 1800, 3500. I'm estimating the out of this world shine here. All this area is done on 800 grit and ready to go on 1800. As you see, the colors are really coming. Reflection is there. You can see that all those lights are reflecting so well. And we got beautiful shine on aggregates and beautiful shine on matrix. So, and even patches coming very nice. So very happy with all these results we're getting so far, and it's really shaping, it's really coming together. So yeah, keep you guys posted with as we progress with the higher grades. So putting 800s hasn't given us any wear and tear on it, so they last forever. We're just about to start the 1800. Floor is already super shiny, but we are looking forward to more. If you see right here, deflection, I just want to show you the difference from 1800 to 800. See how the sheen degrades, and then as you move on to 1800, you have very high resolution reflective surface.